Over 60? These healthy habits may feel right, but they're secretly draining your strength and speeding up aging. New research shows even small daily routines can backfire after C, and most people don't realize it until it's too late. In this video, we'll reveal 5 common habits that could be weakening your body every single day, and what to do instead to stay sharp and strong after C. Habit number 1. Over-exercising. The silent strength killer. After 60, let's talk about something that sounds healthy, but could secretly be weakening you. Exercise. Sure, staying active is important, but after 60, your body doesn't bounce back the way it used to. Muscles recover slower, joints wear down faster, and pushing too hard can do more harm than good. Many seniors fall into the trap of the more the better, doing high-intensity workouts, heavy lifting, or long-distance cardio every day. But here's the truth. These routines can quietly lead to chronic fatigue, joint damage, and muscle loss, the exact opposite of what you're aiming for. Worst part? It feels like you're making progress, until one day your body says, "That's enough." And here's the scary part. Many seniors ignore the warning signs, thinking it's just getting older. Aches, fatigue, poor sleep, even brain fog, these may not be aging at all. They could be your body screaming, "I'm overtrained, I need rest." The pressure to keep up with younger folks or stay fit at all costs can backfire fast. Experts warn, without proper recovery, your body can't rebuild muscle, heal joints, or restore energy. Want to stay strong and independent after 60? Give yourself permission to slow down. Habit number 2. Being too clean could be silently weakening your body. This one sounds strange, but it's shockingly true. Being too clean might actually be hurting your health after 60. Since the pandemic, many seniors now sanitize everything: hands, counters, even grocery bags. But here's the catch. Your body needs some bacteria to stay strong. Overusing hand sanitizers, antibacterial sprays, and harsh soaps can wipe out your natural defense system, your microbiome. These tiny microbes protect your skin, gut, immune system, even your mood and digestion. Wipe them all out, and it's like firing your body's internal bodyguards and leaving the door wide open for trouble. And research backs it up. Over-sanitizing weakens your natural defense system, leaving you more exposed to infections and long-term health problems. For seniors whose immunity naturally slows with age, protecting your microbiome isn't optional, it's essential. So what's the smarter approach? Clean regularly, but use gentle soaps, not harsh chemicals. Save the strong sanitizers for moments that truly matter, like flu season or when someone's sick. A balanced routine doesn't just keep your home clean, it keeps you stronger, safer, and more resilient every day. Habit number 3. Staying too quiet can slowly damage your brain and body. This one hides in plain sight because it feels peaceful. But staying isolated after 60 might be one of the most dangerous habits you can fall into. Many seniors avoid crowds, skip social events, and stay quiet to save energy. But research says the opposite happens. Social withdrawal increases your risk of dementia by 50% and is linked to higher rates of depression, heart disease, and even early death. Why? Because regular human connection keeps your brain sharp, your emotions stable, and your body more resilient. Talking, laughing, sharing meals, even short chats with neighbors or loved ones can boost your mood and immune system. Real connection keeps your brain sharp, lowers stress, and makes life more meaningful, especially after 60. And it doesn't have to be complicated. Join a local group or club. Volunteer once a week, call a friend, or chat with a neighbor. These small moments of connection can protect your brain, lift your mood, and even boost your immune system. So yes, quiet time is healthy. But isolation, that's a slow threat hiding in silence. Don't underestimate the power of a good laugh or a warm conversation. Sometimes it's the best medicine your doctor can't prescribe. Habit number 4. Obsessing over healthy diets can backfire after 60. Here's a surprising one. Trying to eat perfectly might actually be making you weaker, not healthier. Many seniors cut out entire food groups, follow strict trends, overdose on supplements, or bounce between fad diets, all in the name of fighting aging. But here's the truth. Extreme restriction can lead to nutrient loss, muscle breakdown, brittle bones, and a weaker immune system. As we age, the body's needs shift. Balance, not perfection, becomes your best defense. You don't need fancy superfoods or a strict meal plan. You need real food, protein, healthy fats, fiber, and a little flexibility. Because the best diet isn't the most popular. It's the one your body can live with and thrive on. Think colorful plates, real ingredients, and meals you actually enjoy. Because at this stage of life, food isn't just fuel, it's medicine. You don't need to chase the latest fad. You need a way of eating that supports your energy, protects your strength, and fits your lifestyle. Not sure what your body really needs? Talk to a professional, because no one-size-fits-all plan works for everyone. But the right approach can help you stay strong, sharp, and satisfied, well into your 70s and beyond. Habit number 5. Obsessing over perfect sleep can keep you awake. Yes, getting good sleep is important, but worrying too much about it, that might be what's keeping you up at night. The more you stress about hours, sleep cycles, and strict bedtime rules, the more anxious your brain becomes when you try to rest. Experts even have a name for it: orthosomnia, the fear of not sleeping right. And ironically, it can ruin your sleep more than help it. So what should you focus on instead? Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid screens before bed. Wind down with a relaxing routine. A warm shower, soft music, or light reading. And here's the most important part. Accept that not every night will be perfect. Some nights you'll toss and turn, and that's okay. Because real rest isn't about chasing perfection. It's about letting your mind and body feel safe, calm, and at peace. In the end, staying strong after 60 isn't about doing more. It's about doing what truly matters, with balance, intention, and self-awareness. Healthy habits are powerful, but when taken to the extreme, even the good ones can backfire. So take a moment, rethink your routines, and ask yourself, is this habit helping me thrive or just keeping me busy? If this video helped you pause and reflect, give it a like and share it with someone over 60 who might need to hear this today. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed tips to stay strong, sharp, and independent every single week.